Hey, thanks for stopping by. What do you use when you're cleaning your handbags or leather goods? For me, my go-to is the Apple Care, the cleaner and conditioner, the saddle soap, or if I'm cleaning metal, I'm using the brass soap. So those are really my three items that I use most often. There are others, but those are ones that I use most often. Today, I want to try something new, and I'm wondering if this is on your list. I'm going to try the Coach cleaning set. It's more pricey than or pricier than the Apple Care. This is less than $20, maybe $16.99. This one was $35. And we're going to see, I'm going to use this and give you my review along the way. And we'll use this item here, which I recently purchased off of eBay, and it does need a cleaning. So perfect timing to try out a new product. Hang tight. Before I get started, to my subscribers, thank you for returning. And those that are new, welcome. And I hope you consider subscribing. So let's jump into it. Yes, I took it out the box. I ordered this from Amazon, but I haven't like dug into it to figure out what I need. So I hope I have everything handy here. So this is what it looks like. This is how it comes in the packaging. And I'm gonna show you the things I use when I get ready to clean. Always just a throwaway bowl that I can use. I love these bristle brushes. They are very effective in cleaning. I always have a pair of plastic gloves, a cloth, and I have some water. Whenever you're cleaning, you want to use some purified water. Try to stay away from spring, but just purified water. And lastly, some paper towels. So those are the items I use when I'm generally cleaning. So let's see. Hopefully that's all I need here. So I'm just going to first see if I can. Okay, this is in here. Nice. It's nicely packaged. Okay, got it out. So this bottle, it's a 4 ounce bottle. Let's see if I can get, there you go. 4 ounce bottle. And this Apple Care, these are 4 ounces as well. So same amount in each bottle. And hold on, I need to, sorry. There's some small writing here. So let's put out these Kate Spade readers so we can see what this says. So this is the cleaner, is specifically formulated to remove surface dirt. That's good. Condition and prepare Coach leather products for moisturizing. It should not be used on suede, nutbuck, or leather trimmed fabric. So the instructions say apply evenly with a clean cloth using circular strokes, wipe off residue, and buff gently to produce a natural luster. Follow with the Coach moisturizer. So what we're finding here is that this, they say, is specifically for Coach products. So I probably won't use it on anything else. I'll use it on the Coach item here. And then we have the moisturizer, again, 4 ounce, and this says this is again specifically formulated to condition, restore, and enhance the luster of all Coach leather products. It should not be used on suede, notebook, water, buffalo calf skin, or leather trim fabric. Apply evenly with a clean cloth using circular strokes. Wipe off residue and buff gently to produce a natural luster. So, oh, and in here, it looks like they provide a cloth, and they do. So I don't even have to use the cloth I have. Nice and soft, you see. A little rectangular shape. We are going to start with this. Now, it did not say that it needed any water at all. So it said apply evenly with a clean, soft cloth. So the cloth does not have to be damp. And we're going to use circular strokes to wipe off residue and buff gel. Okay, so let's just do that. We're going to follow the directions. It seemed pretty easy. All right. And it is sealed here. Let's see, take something to get that open. All right, we have it open here. And I'm just, it didn't say shake, but I'm just gonna give it a little shake here. And I'm going to take the cloth, and for this, since I'm really not cleaning the metal, I am going to detach the one, and I'm going to stick it in the inside and then zip it up so it doesn't really hang. So I'm going to do, and I'm also going to remove the hang tag for right now. So here we are, and we're going to take the cleaning solutions, and I'm going to tilt the camera so you can see this. See the process here. So put a little here on the cloth. It's not that much. Okay, so I'm out there, and let's just start with the sides. I'm just gonna do like they said, just rub it on, rub it on. I'm gonna do the sides, and since the leather is, the trim is leather, we're gonna get the sides. I'm gonna get the bottom. And I'm going to use a paper towel to see if we're getting off any dirt with this. And I don't really see much here. I'm gonna do a little more here. Let's see. And we're gonna, yeah, got a nice little amount here. I'm going to make sure we get all of the trim. And then the front of the bag in circular motion. So we're just continuing to move in circular motions to get this all cleaned up. Actually, and I don't know if you can tell because it's a very dense pattern, that you can see how this is really, just with the cleaning, it's just some spilled on the counter, so just gonna use that too. I'm not gonna wait. $35, that's pretty hefty. So we're gonna do that. And what it feels like is it is becoming, look at this little tab here, a little squeaky clean. And I'm just rubbing it through. And I'm also going to get the thing. Look, I did all this, didn't even put my gloves on. Oh my God, I just jumped into it. I just have to wash my hands very good on this. This bag wasn't really that dirty, so just had a little storage smell to it. Alright, so I think we got all the edges, and I'm just going to go back and just really get this leather trim. So we get all sides of that there. And here we are. If you could feel it, you can feel like it's, you can kind of hear a little of the squeaky. So it did a really good job with just getting any debris or whatever off of the bag. You can feel the difference. And for me, I just have to go over it one more time. So I'm going to take a little more of this. And then for the last time, I'm just going to go over. I'm going to try to stay away from the nameplate here for Coach. I'm just going to go in this circular motion one last time from the front. Then I'm going to do the perimeter of the bag. And then I'm going to do the back circular. Then I'll do the tabs on the front and the back of the leather zipper pull. And let's see, really no real dirt coming off of here, so that's a good thing. But it is kind of rough now because we just cleaned it off. It's almost like you take a shower and you have to moisturize. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to moisturize her. But this time I am going to put my gloves on because, you know, the moisturizer can get a little messy. Oh, well, I do have, I'm going to clean that hang tag too. So that's just a little, just kind of rub your fingers back and forth using a cloth. There we go. Got that cleaned. And now we have the Coach Moisturizer. Again, it says apply evenly with a clean, soft cloth. So we're going to open her up. I'm going to shake her up a bit. Even though it didn't say shake, but I just think that after sitting for so long, look, I'm using my pen. I should be using something else to open this. And you know, if you can see the consistency, it looks a little like a lotion. I'm going to find the area of this cloth that I didn't use with the cleaner, and I think I found the good corner here. And I'm going to just pour this moisturizer on here. It's a bit much, but let's see. I'm gonna, again, in a circular motion, we're going to just cover that whole bag. I really like this. When I saw this, I said, I think the cost, I keep forgetting what the cost is, but I know it's around, it's no more than, it was like $60, I believe it was. I really, oh my goodness. I don't know if the shine is coming through there, but my goodness, I really like this moisturizer. It's really nice. You can see the shine of it. If it was a bag, now I've had some bags that came in that were in really bad condition, and then, whew, I had one bag, oh my goodness, when I got the box, I could tell that it was going to be, not the look of the box, the smell of the box. The smoke came right through it, and was not cigarette smoke. All right, so we got all of the conditioner all over the bag. I'm gonna make sure we do the hang tag too. It's got that covered. I'm gonna add the top back on here, and I'm gonna take this circular brush. The bristles are very soft on here, and when they said to buff, I'm gonna use this to buff out this bag. Just buff it out. Get all of the conditioner in there. And then to the front. And do these sides and the tabs. So I'm going to take this hang tag and give it the same condition on both ends. And I'm going to use my separate cloth, and I'm going to do another like buff. Look at this. Oh my God, this is really nice. This is nice. Very nice. All right, and she is all done. She is all cleaned up. With this pattern, you may not be able to tell. Can't you see a little shine in there? Can you see the shine? It gives it a nice shine. Okay. Would I purchase the Coach cleaner and conditioner? I would, because I would really like to see it on. I do have it, and I'm going to try it on that. I have an older Coach tote bag that is in, it has some dirt on it. And I'm going to try it on that. But this, I give it 5 out of 5. Yes, it did a really good job. I am excited about being able to put this in rotation in my personal collection. We got a really good deal on her. And let's see, get the hang tag back on. And there we are. We have the cleaned up. Oh, look at the shine. Okay, I can see it now. You see the shine on her? All right, and it feels really good, really good. This will definitely prolong your Coach bags. So if you're not cleaning your bags, you want to put them in some type of rotation that you give it some type of clean. And with this product, it is really simple. I'm telling you, the other ones I use, I normally have to use some water with it and build up a lather. This does not require that. But again, I am going to do another cleaning on a bag that has more dirt than this one here. And she is ready. She is definitely ready to go. And let's see. Gonna hook her back up. I think her metal looks good. I don't have to clean her metal. And here she is. Ready. Tell me what you think. Have you used these products before? Did they work for you? Do you use something different? Share and let me know. Throw it in the comments. Thank you all. Thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you next time. So the next cleaning will be the Coach tote bag, and we'll try to clean that bag. Thank you all. Like on this video, comment on this video. Subscribe to my Nana's channel. Don't forget.